This is Patrick Brennan, Patrick Liam Brennan. If anything goes wrong, he is responsible for this.
I'm the head aeronautical engineer. Wait, nautical.
Okay.
Oh, whoa.
Don't touch it.
So this is the product of our last hour.
Did you put the other thing down in the wet grass?
Is that a problem?
It can't be good.
We're fine.
Okay.
All right.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get out!
It's like a triple backflip. That was so bad. That was actually better than I...
Hey, Lynn, you got your wish. It was hovering.
It was cut.
Salvage.
Oh.
That's sturdy.
Rocket improvements.
Which way did it flip though?
It just like stopped.
It was just like
it was like, oh my gosh. I think what happened is